In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do double exposure in Canva. Double exposure is a creative technique that involves blending two images together to create a unique and visually captivating effect. So, let's get started with creating a double exposure design in Canva. First things first, open Canva. If you haven't already created an account, you'll just need to sign up, which is quick and easy. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where creativity truly begins. Now, we need to create a new design. Click on the Create a Design button. It might be at the top right corner of your screen. You can choose a custom size if you have specific dimensions in mind, or you can simply opt for a template that suits your needs, such as poster or Instagram post. For double exposure, the dimensions aren't strict, so feel free to choose what works best for your project. With our blank canvas ready, upload or search for a portrait photo you'd like to use for the double exposure effect. This photo will serve as the base of your design. If you're using a photo from Canva's library, just type what you need into the search bar and explore the options. Make sure your portrait has a clean and clear subject, as it'll make the effect more distinct. Next, go to the Edit Photo section, usually accessible once you click on your image. Look for the Background Remover tool. It's a fantastic feature to neatly isolate your subject from its background, which is essential for the double exposure effect. After the background is removed, slightly increase the contrast and reduce the saturation of your portrait. This adjustment helps in blending the two images together seamlessly by making the subject more defined yet not too overpowering. Now, let's head over to Canva's extensive library to search for a complementary image, such as landscapes, city skylines, or mountains. You're looking for something that will fill in the background of your portrait creatively. Once you find an image you like, drag it directly onto your portrait. This is where the magic happens. Resize and position this second image, ensuring that it aligns creatively with key elements of your base portrait. This step might require a bit of tweaking to get just right, so feel free to experiment with placement and scale. With both images in place, select the overlay image. Click on the transparency option and set it between 40% to 60%. This transparency adjustment is vital as it merges the two images together, creating that intriguing double exposure effect. Finally, once you're pleased with how everything looks, click Share and proceed to download your masterpiece. Choose PNG as the format for high-quality output, and you're all set. And there you have it. You've created a stunning double exposure design using Canva.